Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is US Army's 1st Cavalry Division tests autonomous Golden Shield counter-drone system in live-fire exercise. The 1st Cavalry Division has completed a live-fire exercise testing counter-unmanned aerial systems, CUAS, for its Golden Shield counter-drone concept, conducted from April 7 to 9. The exercise marked the latest phase of the division's Pegasus Charge initiative and incorporated autonomous CUAS battlefield effectors for the first time. Exercise Golden Shield integrated advanced sensors, kinetic and non-kinetic effectors, and command and control systems to create an autonomous, cohesive defense against small unmanned aerial systems, UAS. The effort was led by the 1st Cavalry Division in collaboration with Army DEFCOM and industry partners, with the aim of enhancing the protection of armored vehicles and their crews while maneuvering. The exercise marked the first live demonstration of an autonomous sensor on one platform detecting and classifying a hostile drone, then transmitting data and an engagement command to an autonomous weapon system on a separate platform to destroy the target. The system links sensors and weapons on tactical vehicles to automatically detect, track and engage threats, significantly shortening the sensor-to-shooter timeline and reducing the cognitive burden on soldiers. Alfred Grain, Executive Director for Research and Technology Integration at the U.S. Army Capabilities Development Command Ground Vehicle Systems Center, described the exercise as the beginning of a broader protective framework. "The future is formation-based layered protection, and this is the start of that," he said. Grain also acknowledged the varying levels of maturity across the systems tested. "Some of the systems are more mature than others. But understand that's part of why we do experiments to determine what we think is ready to hand off to soldiers in the field environment," he added. The Golden Shield system is built on a scalable, open architecture, layering a next-generation command and control system with various sensors, effectors and the vehicle protection system base kit. This architecture allows the defensive network to expand or contract based on mission requirements and to rapidly integrate new technologies as they become available. Major Kevin Correa, the 1st Cavalry Division's Air and Missile Defense Chief, outlined the next steps for the program. "The intent is to take these systems we tested this week and begin to integrate them within our armored formations training," he said. "In that way, we are able to fully exercise not only the systems, but the tanker's ability to manage these systems while conducting their normal operations," he added. "The insights and data gathered from Exercise Golden Shield will inform the Army's decisions on how to implement the technology across its maneuver formations, supporting both the Pegasus Charge and Transforming in Contact initiatives." The exercise is described by the Army as a significant step forward in its modernization efforts to ensure soldiers are equipped with advanced technology to maintain battlefield overmatch and enhance their lethality and survivability. The 1st Cavalry Division is based at Fort Hood, Texas, and serves as a combined arms division tasked with transforming how armored formations fight and win on the battlefield. It is one of the most decorated combat divisions in the history of the United States Army. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.